Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to convert USDT to USD on Binance. So first go to your Binance app and click more on the right side. From here, look for convert at the right side again. From AGLD, change it USDT. Now, in BTC, change it USD. But there is no available in our country. So I'll choose USDP for Pax Dollar. Then, type on USDT your amount. Then at the bottom, click on Preview Conversion. From 20 USDT, you will receive 19.99703.45 USDP. And there is no fees. After all, click deposit. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.